Hello, this is Coding for Fun channel, and today we're going to solve pairs of songs with total duration divisible by 60. You are given a list of songs where the ith song has a duration of time I seconds. Return the number of pairs of songs for which their total duration in seconds is divisible by 60. Formally, we want the number of indices I and j such as I smaller than j with time I plus time j modulo 60 is equal to 0. Okay, so in the first example, we have 30, 20, 150, 140. There are three pairs that meet the requirements. The first pair is 30, 150, and another pair is 20 and 100, and the other pair is 20 and 40. Because the first pair, 30 plus 150 is 180, and it is divisible by 60. And the other two pairs also meet the requirement. And then we came up with an equation, which is if there is a element t in the time array plus some number x modulo 60 should be equal to 0, we know that x should be equal to 60 minus t modulo 60. And first we should make x modulo 60 so that all the value in the time array can be put into an array named count. And why is the number of array count should be 60 is because if there is an integer n modulo 60, the value can be 0 to 59. So we know that there are 60 possible values, right? Therefore, we set up our count array to 60 elements. And first we know that the return value should be integer, so our result should also be integer. Then we iterate the whole array. Each time we go through an element in time array, we plus the value in the count, so that we know how many value in the time array can be added up to the count array. So every time we meet the same value, we add it up to 1. And then we're going to sum up all the possible pairs, right? So we sum it up, count values to the result. And the index is the x modulo 60, right? Because in the equation we know that x is equal to 60 minus t modulo 60. So we're using this value to here, right? And then the x modulo 60 is the index of our count integer, and we add it up to our result. And then the last step is we return the value of result. Okay, so let's submit the solutions to see if it is work.